Hello and welcome to class. Today we are going to be learning about how to draw flames in Photoshop. Here on my screen is an example of something you can do with flames, taking a stock image and then adding a flame to it. However, the flame tool can also be used to create things that do not necessarily look like flames, such as you see in this image here. We'll be creating this as our first assignment. You can also find in the folders resources including a PDF document that gives all of the file assignment instructions, including dimensions and how to place objects and all their different variables. We'll start by opening a new file in Photoshop. So File, New. All right, your screen may look slightly different, so please pay more attention to the variables that I'm inputting as opposed to the way the screen looks. We're going to title the file Ring of Fire. On your screen, you will want to look at document type and you will be selecting US paper. Once you have done that, okay, you will see the dimensions change to inches as opposed to pixels. We will be making it 6 inches wide. No, my apologies, 9 inches wide, 6 inches tall. Okay. Resolution will be 300 pixels per inch, and color will be all RGB, 8-bit. Our background contents we are going to make black, which is also hexadecimal color 000000. And click OK. First thing we need to do is to make a new layer. Now, as was stated in the previous video by Julianne Cost, we are not able to create flames without having a path. So begin by choosing your shape tool and selecting the ellipse. Navigate to this top portion of your options bar and make sure you have chosen path. You want to make sure to give yourself plenty of room to work with here, because otherwise the flames will be cut off if they extend past the edges of the document. So I'm going to hold down my shift key and I'm going to draw a circle about right here. That'll be fine. We're going to clear our live properties box by clicking on the double arrow. And we're going to go to Filter, Render, Flame. All right, I provide the different variables for each one of the flames, which you can find in the PDF file. So what you're going to do is you're going to rely on using these different variables to determine different types of flame. All right, once you've hit OK and created your first flame, yours may appear slightly different based on the fact that they will vary based on the path size. What you want to do before you do anything else is make sure that you click on your Move tool and move the flames away from the path. At this point in time, you're now going to want to create a new layer. Name the layer appropriately. The names are given in the file that is also with the assignment. All right, once you have the new layer indicated here, you would go back to Filter, Render, Flame. You would change your variables. Again, all of the variables are given within each of the different types of rings in the documents. All right. And you can see each of these different variables will change it in a slightly different way. All right. Once you've established all 6 different types of rings, which you will see here in this document, please notice that I have labeled each one of the layers appropriately. And make sure that you are pulling the flame away from the path each time, creating a new layer each time, renaming the layer each time, and then going back to the Filter, render flame. If you do not do it in that way, you will find that you're going to get multiple paths resulting in incorrect circles. All right, once you have established that you have all 6 flames on the document, as they would look here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to generate this layer you see here that has all 6 rings on it. I'm able to do that by doing Control Alt Shift E on my keyboard. It will bring up this layer. Right click it, export it as a JPEG. You'll be turning that in as well as the PSD document. I hope this movie helps. Please have a good day.